In this procedure, we will be replacing the rooftop cover on a Furrion air conditioner. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill and a Phillips bit. First, remove the screws in the front of the air conditioner. Next, remove the screws in the rear of the air conditioner. Then, remove the screws on both sides of the air conditioner. Now you can remove the rooftop cover. Install the new rooftop cover, making sure the rear overlaps the filter grill. Install the screws attaching the rooftop cover to the air conditioner. This completes the rooftop cover replacement procedure.